said you had. What's up, guys? It's Phillyswords RC. Today I got my Arrma Outcast EXB RTR. Yeah, I'm testing out and change the whole bulkhead at the front. That's why you haven't seen this in a while. I want to see how this thing performs. Yo, this thing is a pure beast. Yo. This thing is a pure monster, I'll tell you that. I don't really see no jumps. I had a little sort of a jump, but it really ain't. My battery died on me. I don't know why. It was fully charged. I really didn't. Okay, whatever. All right, at my new location now. A little wet, but what can you do? Only on 50%. Let's do it to 100. this grass nice and wet, which still ain't full throttle. This thing is a beast. Everything looks cool. Yeah, this rig, this is an awesome rig right here. The new electronics. Off the charts. Yeah, a little windy out here today. Yo. This is just factory. I got the 32th pinion on there, and I'm about to throw that whoa. I'm about to throw that spur gear in there. Make it faster than that. Yo, this one is honking. Sorry about the wind. This thing is durable. I just broke the bulkhead though because of a stupid mistake. Not even I can't blame the car at all for that. That was a stupid mistake I made and broke the bulkhead. Almost don't matter what kind of bulkhead you had. But I don't know if that'd be more problems than if I'm not hitting it. I've been saying that. Got a couple beats I want to run today. That's why I like this part, because it's so uneven. It lets you learn to handle your car in this kind of terrain. Why it smell like gas so strong up here? That suspension soaking up all of that. Especially these fifth scales. Ah! Mud all on my grill. This wind is killing me today. Is doing their thing this year. I think it was low voltage cut right there. Yep. Battery is done. Look at the front of my car. Jeez. Just wanted to get her back out here and bash it, because I ain't bashed it in a minute since I repaired it. This is my first time running it. Wanted to see how my little repairs will hold up, even though I knew it would hold up pretty good. Wow, defeat the purpose of the lights having all that. But as always, I hope you enjoyed that video. Hit that like button, notification bell. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos coming soon. And I'm out.